We're taking a closer look tonight at the deadly E. coli outbreak linked to onions at McDonald's restaurants, and specifically here, why you can have confidence in onions produced here in the state of Utah not linked to the outbreak. His specialist, Brian Carlson, toured a packaging facility in Syracuse to find out what makes them different.
Over 100 million onions packaged annually at Onions 52 in Syracuse. None of what you see here is being tied to the deadly E. coli outbreak at McDonald's. The CDC is now saying came from fresh slivered onions, reportedly served on the quarter-pounder burger, now sickening 90 people in 13 states, including 7 people in Utah.
Here, they're sorting quality.
Today, the general manager for Onions 52 showed me their facility and how they avoid such outbreaks.
We do swab verification on our cleaning to make sure that our cleaning process was actually done correctly.
Another reason is onions here are shipped whole.
There's no processing, no cutting, no washing.
If there were issues, each onion batch is tagged, identifying where it was grown.
Year, grower, field, variety, okay, harvest date.
And you see that same tag here on the bags for the finished product. So if there's any issues with this batch, they can trace it right back to that farm where it came from. Local farmers supplying onions to Onions 52, like McFarland Family Farms in Weber County, say their safety process starts before onions are ever planted.
When we order the seed, we make sure that seed is cleared by all the food safety people. When we order fertilizer, we make sure it's the certified fertilizer.
Each onion field also goes through rigorous testing.
We'll actually take a plant leaf and take it into a lab, and they'll test to make sure that there's no pathogens and there's no E. coli of any kind.
Every batch that passes is sorted, packaged, and shipped to big buyers nationwide.
Well, there's a lot of trust there with the grower, and they've all been vetted. And so through the whole process, we're not afraid to put our name, on these onions that come from our local growers.
Each one intact, leaving this facility 52 weeks a year. Brian Carlson, KSL 5 News.